Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Hagaday Baby Stroller is probably one of the most sought-after baby gear items for parents who prioritize both style and functionality, offering a seamless blend of innovative design and practical features that make navigating the world with your little one an absolute breeze, ensuring comfort and safety are never compromised, even on the busiest of days. Number 5. HAUCK Sport Travel Stroller. Discover the freedom of travel with this ultra-lightweight stroller. Its compact design makes navigating busy streets and tight spaces a breeze. Packing up is simple with its intuitive folding mechanism. It's designed to be easily stored and transported, perfect for life on the go. Your little one will ride in comfort thanks to its thoughtful design. The stylish dark olive finish adds a touch of sophistication to your outings. Say goodbye to heavy lifting. This stroller is engineered for maximum portability, making every journey smoother for you and your child. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a daily errand, this stroller is built to simplify your travels. Enjoy more moments together, effortlessly. What we like. This stroller is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it a breeze to maneuver through crowded spaces. If you're looking for a no-fuss option for daily errands or quick trips, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for parents who value simplicity and ease of use. What people say. Easy to open, lightweight, I use it daily. Perfect for the plane. Easy to handle. Smooth wheels. Nice size basket. It's great that it comes with a travel bag for the plane. It reclines well and the canopy covers really well and low. This stroller is perfect for getting around the city and keeping baby comfortable. The storage space is also great for a book bag or going shopping. There is a pocket on the back that fits all the things you need on hand: phone, keys, change. Number 4. MAMAZING Ultra Air Baby Travel Stroller. Introducing the MAMAZING Ultra Air, the travel stroller designed for life on the go. It's incredibly lightweight, making every journey a breeze. Crafted with a premium carbon fiber frame, this stroller offers exceptional durability without the weight. You'll barely notice you're carrying it. Designed for modern travel, it's compact enough to fit in airplane overhead compartments. Say goodbye to bulky travel gear and hello to effortless adventures. Need to fold it quickly? Our one-handed fold mechanism makes it simple and fast. Perfect for when you have your hands full. Weighing in at just 11.6 pounds, this stroller is a dream for parents. It's easy to maneuver and carry, wherever your travels take you. This stroller is perfect for your little one, from toddlerhood and beyond. It provides a comfortable and secure ride for your child. What we like. Experience ultimate portability with its feather-light carbon fiber frame, designed for travelers. If you frequently fly or need a stroller that's exceptionally easy to carry, this one is for you. It's ideal for globetrotting families who need a reliable and compact travel companion. What people say. It's incredibly light, just 11.6 pounds, and super easy to fold with one hand, perfect for quick trips, airports, or everyday errands. The carbon fiber frame feels surprisingly sturdy for how lightweight it is, and my toddler rides comfortably. The compact fold makes storage a breeze, and the stroller maneuvers smoothly on sidewalks and uneven surfaces. Number 3. Kinder King 2-in-1 Convertible Baby Stroller. Introducing the Kinder King 2-in-1 Convertible Baby Stroller. This versatile stroller adapts to your growing child's needs, offering both comfort and convenience for your little one. Enjoy an elevated view with its high landscape design. It provides a better perspective for your baby and protects them from ground-level dust and noise. The infant carriage is reversible, allowing your baby to face you or the world. This feature ensures your baby feels secure and engaged during every outing. Keep your little one protected from the elements with the adjustable canopy. It offers ample shade and can be easily modified to suit changing weather conditions. Stay organized on the go with the included diaper bag. It's designed to hold all your essentials, making outings with your baby hassle-free. This stroller comes in a charming pink finish, adding a touch of style to your travels. It's both functional and fashionable for modern parents. What we like. This versatile option offers a high landscape view and a reversible seat, allowing your baby to face you or the world. If you desire a stroller that grows with your child and provides different viewing options, this is an excellent pick. It's best suited for parents who want a customizable and engaging experience for their little one. What people say. The reversible seat allows the baby to face us or face forward, which makes walks much more interactive and comfortable. The adjustable canopy is very comprehensive and easily protects from the sun, and the ride is very smooth thanks to the suspension, which is noticeable on every outing. The folding function is quick and practical, ideal for putting it in the car or storing it without any hassle. The storage basket is quite spacious, and the overall design conveys quality. Number 2. Evenflo Gold Otto Travel Stroller. Tired of struggling with bulky strollers? This one folds itself with just a touch. It makes traveling with your little one a breeze. Say goodbye to heavy lifting. This stroller is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry and maneuver. You'll barely notice it's there. Need to transition from car to stroll? It seamlessly fits your baby car seat. This provides a secure and convenient travel system. Introducing the Gold Otto in Moonstone. It's not just functional, it's also designed with a touch of elegance. Travel in style and comfort. Discover the ultimate travel solution. This stroller is designed for modern parents on the go. Make every journey smoother and simpler. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of self-folding technology, making packing up effortless. If you need a stroller that seamlessly integrates with your car seat and folds itself, this is a game changer. It's perfect for parents who prioritize quick transitions and a secure travel system. What people say. The stroller is lightweight and easy to fold, making it convenient for travel. It has a spacious storage basket, perfect for carrying baby essentials and shopping. The adjustable handlebar and recline options provide comfort for both parent and child. Number 1. Gromast Gravity Folding Baby Stroller, Black. Introducing the Gromast Gravity Folding Baby Stroller, designed for ultimate convenience. Its lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for any adventure. Ensure your little one is always comfortable with the adjustable backrest. It's designed to provide optimal support for your toddler during every outing. Keep your child protected from the elements with the UV-protected canopy. It offers ample shade, ensuring a pleasant experience even on sunny days. This stroller comes with a handy cup holder, making it easy to keep drinks within reach. Enjoy added convenience during your travels. Experience the ease of one-hand automatic folding. This feature allows for quick and simple storage, perfect for busy parents on the move. Available in a sleek black finish, this stroller is both stylish and practical. It's the ideal travel companion for modern families. What we like. Discover effortless one-hand automatic folding with its gravity-assisted mechanism. If you appreciate strollers with thoughtful adjustments like a reclinable backrest and canopy, this one delivers. It's ideal for parents seeking a comfortable, convenient, and sun-safe ride for their toddler. What people say. The extended hood allows for your baby to not have the sun in their eyes. The way that you strap them in is easy and secure and comfortable. It's lightweight and has great storage capacity, very easy to fold and very sturdy. The stroller was very easy to fold up and open. It was not heavy at all and came with a carrying bag that made it very easy to check with luggage on the airplane. The seat laid completely flat, which was great for naps in the park. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.